Who would have thought that these become the world's rarest rare coconut? This is the so-called dinosaur egg coconut salt. The local people think that the coconut salt extracted through the shell has a unique flavor, so it became a popular product. People who know this craft are really making a lot of money. Many netizens said after reading it that they would also go to pick coconuts. To make this kind of coconut salt, first throw the coconut shell into the salt water and soak it for several days to make sure that the salt water is fully absorbed. Then cut the shell into small pieces. Then lay the shell on the floor and dry it. Then pile it up into a small mountain peak and pour it in a fire. It usually takes a week to burn the coconut shells. No accident, a week later, you can find this kind of salt crystallization in the ash. After carefully selecting it, put it in a filter net surrounded by palm leaves. Then continue to smash it with a wooden stick to make sure that each crystal is powdery. Then pour the seawater evenly into the powder. The seawater flows out after passing through the powder once, and you will get a salty water with a unique coconut fragrance. This is the raw material for making coconut salt. Of course, to make coconut salt, you need to use a jar similar to a dinosaur egg. It is made of clay. The finished clay jar is unified after baking to make it a hard ceramic jar. Then arrange the ceramic jars in a row on the stove. Make sure that each one of them does not fall off. Then divide the work clearly and light the fire. Pour the salt water into the ceramic jar through a spoon made of shell. This kind of spoon is also special. You don't have to buy it if you have money. They think that only this kind of natural spoon can guarantee the flavor of coconut salt. As the salt water evaporates, a white crystal will be left in the jar. This is pure salt. In order to fill the ceramic jar, you need to repeat this action until the salt is full and the ceramic jar is slightly out of the range. Then wait for it to cool. Usually, the next day, you can take it apart one by one. Then break the bottom of the ceramic jar. So every coconut salt will use a ceramic jar. But only in this way can it be made into a coconut salt like a dinosaur egg. You only need to remove the bottom, you don't need to remove it all. After brushing the surface with dust, a coconut salt is done. This kind of coconut salt is usually 10 times more expensive than ordinary salt. So do you think this is IQ tax? Or do you know something? Thanks for watching this video.